Hello everyone, welcome to Sanam's kitchen. Today I have a really easy recipe of pasta salad which I make very often, and it's extremely healthy and very easy to prepare, and you can make it for party or get together. So let's get started. So here I have 1 cup of boiled pasta, quarter cup of cabbage thinly sliced, quarter cup of purple cabbage chopped, quarter cup of boiled green peas, corn as per your taste, 2 to 3 tablespoons of chopped onion, quarter cup of chopped green bell pepper and quarter cup of red bell pepper, quarter cup of shredded carrot, some pickled jalapeno, 2 to 3 tablespoons of yogurt, 2 to 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, honey as per your taste, red crushed pepper and garlic powder. Now take a bowl and we are going to mix all these ingredients, but let's start with pasta, shredded cabbage, corn, green peas, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, chopped onion, carrot, jalapeno which I chopped here. You can also see the recipe of pickled jalapeno. Now in a separate bowl I'm going to make the dressing. So for that, take the yogurt and mayonnaise, honey as per your taste, crushed pepper and garlic powder, and I'm going to add pinch of salt. Now mix everything well, and I'm going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of water, and then I'm going to mix this to the pasta salad. This gives a nice flavor of it's sweet and it's a little bit tangy with the yogurt, and it's extremely healthy. I always make this recipe for dinner, or if you have a get together, it is great. You can prepare ahead of time and you can serve this. Look how beautiful and colorful it looks, and it is very yummy and tasty. I like to serve mine with garlic bread. You can serve with pizza or cheese bread or anything that you like, or just by itself. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe and hit the like button. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, and I'll see you with another simple recipe. Thank you for watching.